Heavy.
Heavy.
Eh,
Heavy.
Heavy. Why heavy? Heavy. Hang. Hang. Go. You said it's heavy. Whoa. Whoa. Wow, very strong. You look like McDonald. How? How did you do that? You look like a monster. How about put your bag? You carry that and then put your bag on the chair. Can you do that?
Yes.
Okay, you put that in your head and then I'm going to put your bag here.
Okay.
Okay.
What is how?
Alright, I will help you. Okay, carry that one. And then I'll put this bag there, okay?
Heavy, heavy. Stop, stop, stop.
Is it heavy?
Oh.
Very heavy. Okay, Grandma. Let's sit down, Grandma. Grandma, very, very strong. Why? What? Grandma. Come on, Grandma. Oh, Grandma, later your mother will be here. Okay. You sit down. Sit down, Grandma.
Grandma.